Good morning, I am Novidianti Margun. Here I will bring the latest news for today. Coronavirus COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS. Most people who contract COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and will recover without special treatment. However, some people will experience severe pain and get medical assistance. You can get it when you get contact the virus if you are near someone who is already infected with COVID-19. You can also get it if you touch your ears, nose, or mouth after touches and contaminate surface. Virus and appears to spread indoors and in crowded places. Okay, here we will listen from several sources regarding COVID-19. Okay, let's from the several respected person who will convey the impact of COVID-19 in the world of education, the impact of COVID-19 on the economy, and the impact of COVID-19 on society. Okay, we invite Ms. Melanie Slater to deliver the news.
Well, thank you to Novi for giving me the opportunity to convey information about the impact of COVID-19 on the economy in society. Based on the current situation, the impact of COVID-19 is very large, especially in the terms of the economy, namely the decrease in the income of traders, the number of unemployed, so that many people commit crimes such as thefts. There is a reduction in employees. I also see the impact of COVID-19 on the economy in the area where I live, namely Tembung. COVID-19 made the Tembung community restless because of the high unemployment. Traders experience difficulties to less purchasing power and finally stop trading. That's my information about the impact of COVID-19. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Ms. Melanie Slater for the information regarding the impact of COVID-19 on the world economy. Then to Ms. Hana Manalu, I invite.
Thank you to Novi who has given me the opportunity to convey information about the impact of COVID-19 on people's social life. Based on the current situation, the outbreak of COVID-19 like this will certainly change the social values of the community, which will change the mindset, view, and attitude of people in everyday life. For example, people who must always wear masks, diligently wash their hands, prepare hand sanitizer, maintain distance, avoid crowds, avoid contact with other people, and apply various health protocols have become habits. Various social activity that previously we could do more freely, such as wedding, celebration, Thanksgiving, and other become very limited. Like in the neighborhood where I live, at single social activity such as wedding, just must follow protocol, and invite guests are also limited so they can keep their distance to prevent COVID-19. That's the information I can convey. Thanks.
Okay, thank you to Mr. Yona Manalu for the information regarding the impact of COVID-19 on the social world. Then to Ms. Wiranti Purba, I invite.
Thank you to Novi for giving me the opportunity to explain information about the impact of COVID-19 on education. Besides on the current situation, the impact of COVID-19 in the education sector has positive and negative impacts. The negative impacts in the field of education is limited access to a stable internet. Many areas in Indonesia have not yet reached some 3T areas. Even communication signal have not yet reached some 3T areas. And also the problem of the capability of the teaching staff adapting to distance learning methods which add to the teacher because of most of them are doing distance learning for the first time. With the COVID-19 pandemic, school understand that the learning process cannot be carried out for a long time as in normal situation. Furthermore, as for the positive impact of COVID-19 in the field of education, especially for students, that they can use their first time to work on the site, as well as making student able to use technology. Use the information for me. I will return to Novi. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Ms. Wiranti Purba for the information regarding the impact of COVID-19 on the world of education. Then I will conclude based on the economic situation because the impact of COVID-19 is very large. Namely, the decrease in the income of trades, the number of unemployed, so many people who commit crimes such as theft, and the recruitment of employees. Meanwhile, based on the current social situation, the outbreak of COVID-19 like this will certainly change the social values of community, will change the mindset, view, and attitude of people in everyday life. Meanwhile, based on the state of the education sector, the impact of COVID-19 has positive and negative impacts. Only that for today's news, I don't forget to remind you to keep your distance, wear a mask, and wash your hands because the virus is everywhere. I am Novi Dayanti Marbun. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.